Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by stabilizing basics that directly affect visual noise. First, secure consistent sleep and cut screen time 1 hour before bed to reduce cortical hyperexcitability. Once done, hydrate and lower caffeine. These change neural irritation quickly. Next, adjust screens, 60 to 75% brightness, and use the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Do this now. These early steps reduce symptoms and prepare you for the targeted interventions that follow. You now apply focused measures that address visual processing. Start with FL41 or amber-tinted glasses and test them for 2 to 4 weeks while tracking improvements. They reduce photic triggers by altering wavelength exposure. Once fitted, tweak display color/contrast and aim for monitors with 60 Hz or higher refresh rates to cut flicker. Combine this with 10 to 15 minutes daily of visual retraining, simple tracking and saccade drills, and paced breathing to lower cortical arousal. Together, you complete the protocol by evaluating progress and knowing when to escalate. After 6 to 12 weeks of consistent steps, assess symptom change with your log of triggers, sleep, medications, and lighting conditions. If symptoms persist or worsen, consult a neurologist and ophthalmologist to rule out underlying causes and discuss options like vision therapy or targeted cognitive behavioral strategies. If things go wrong, new neurological signs, severe vision loss, or intense headaches, seek urgent medical review immediately. That single step prevents harm.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.